Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Luam and I'm very grateful that you've tuned in. I hope you're in perfect health and happiness. So I wrote a poem inspired by blue skies and I made a beautiful summer dress, very easy, and so if you'd like to know how, stay tuned. This dress is based on three very simple shapes. A large rectangle for the skirt of the dress, a long band for the waist, and two elongated triangles for the halter neck. Begin by sewing the skirt length together, making a vertical seam. Make pleats for front of skirt like this and then stitch down. Attach the waistband length, but only to the front half of the skirt. Hem the halter neck pieces or line as I did. Then attach halter neck pieces to the front of the waistband. Hem the remainder of the waistband lengths. Use bias binding to face the back of the skirt, ready to insert your elastic. Use a large safety pin to thread elastic through. Almost done. Just hem the bottom of your skirt length.